Hi guys, welcome to Sam's Simple Math. In last session, we have seen what is meant by rational numbers and its form. The form of a rational number will be p by q, where p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0. In rational numbers, we have seen its properties such that closure property, commutative property. Closure property, when we add or subtract or multiply or divide any two in rational numbers, the resulting number will be a rational number. Whereas commutative property states that when we add or multiply any two rational number, even though the digits are interchanged its place, the resulting number will be same. In this session, we are going to see what is meant by associative property, what is meant by distributive property, and additive inverse property of rational numbers. Associative property. When we add, subtract, multiply or divide any three rational number in any order, the resulting number should be same. Again, I'll read it. Associative property states that when we add or subtract, multiply or divide any three rational number in any order, the resulting number should be same. For that, let us take three rational numbers, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. Let us check with addition property. Here I'll teach you how to read this particular expression. So a and b are inside the bracket, so read it like this: a plus b, give a pause, then say plus c. This is how you have to read this expression. A plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. So whenever you read an expression within a bracket, you have to read it together. After that, give a small pause, then you can read the next expression with its sign. So let us see. A plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. So let us substitute the value of a 3 by 2, the value of b 5 by 2 and the value of c 7 by 2 in this expression, and let us check it out. So 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Here the bracket, we have drawn bracket for the first two terms, whereas here we have drawn the bracket for the last two terms. Now let us check whether we are going to get the right answer or wrong. 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, both the denominators are same, so add the numerators. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7 by 2. Similarly, 3 by 2, write it as it is. Since 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2, both the denominators are same, so write that same denominator 2 and add the numerator. 5 plus 7 equals to 12. Again, 8 by 2 plus 7 by 2, the denominators are same, so write the same denominator and add the numerators. 8 plus 7 equals to 15, 3 plus 12 equals to 15. So 15 by 2 equals to 15 by 2, which states that associative property for addition is true. Let us check it for subtraction. A minus b minus c is equals to a minus b minus c. In the place of a, substitute 3 by 2. In the place of b, substitute minus 5 by 2. In the place of c, substitute minus 7 by 2. Similarly, here also do the same thing. Now, since the denominators are same, using board mass, first we'll solve the brackets, then we'll go for the some other terms. So 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2 will give you minus 2 by 2. Since the denominators are same, write the same denominator, subtract the numerators. 5 minus 7, since 7 is greater number, subtract the number and write the greater number sign. So 5 minus 7 will give you minus 2. In the right hand side, 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Again, the denominators are same. Write the same denominator and subtract the numerators. 3 minus 5 will give you minus 2 by 2. In left hand side, 3 by 2 minus of minus 2 by 2, we will write it as 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2. Whereas in right hand side, we'll write it as minus 2 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Since the denominators are same in both the sides, write the same denominators. Here add the numerators, you will get 5 by 2. Here, since both the numbers have same sign, add the numbers and write the same sign. So minus 2 minus 7 will give you minus 9 by 2. Here 5 by 2 does not equals to minus 9 by 2. So associative property under subtraction is not true for rational numbers. Now let us check it for multiplication. A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Whenever I read it, I am just giving a pause for the variables which are outside the brackets. A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Same way, substitute the values of A, B, C. Here you will get 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 7 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 7 by 2. First solve the numbers which are inside the bracket. So 3 by 2 will be as it is. In multiplication, you can directly multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 5 7s are 35, 2 2s are 4. Here 3 into 5 15, 2 into 2 makes 4. The remaining write it as it is with the signs. Now 3 into 35 makes 105, 2 into 4 makes 8. Similarly, 15 into 7 makes 105 and 4 into 2 makes 8. It shows that when we multiply any three numbers in any order, the resulting number is same. So associative property under multiplication is true. Let us check it for division. A divided by B divided by C is equals to A divided by B divided by C. Substitute the values of A, B, C. We will get 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. We can't do anything with this division symbol, so change it to multiplication. So we will get 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 will be as it is. Since we change this division symbol into multiplication, the next number will be changed to its reciprocal. So 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7, where 7 is the numerator, here it becomes the denominator, and 2 is the denominator, here it becomes numerator. Similarly, here 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 will be changed to 3 by 2 into 2 by 5 divided by 7 by 2 will be as it is. Now cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Similarly, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. We will get 3 by 2 divided by 5 1 is 5, 7 1 is 7. So 5 by 7, which is equals to 3 1 is 3, 5 1 is 5. 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 2. Again, we can't do anything with this division symbol, so change it to multiplication. So we will get 3 by 2 into 7 by 5, which is equals to 3 by 5 into 2 by 7. Now multiply the numerator and denominators. So 3 7s are 21, 5 2s are 10. So in left hand side we have 21 by 10. In right hand side 3 2s are 6, 7 5s are 35. So in right hand side we got 6 by 35, which is entirely different. So associative property of division for rational number is not true. Using few numbers, a small task for you: write this table in your notebook and check whether associative property for natural number is true for all the 4 operations. Similarly for whole numbers, integers. Just check it out and say me the answer. Now let us see distributive property. In distributive property we have two properties. First one, distributive property of multiplication over addition. That is, a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. That is, a is multiplied with b and a is multiplied with c. After that, both the result has been added together. Now let us take three rational numbers. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3, that is left hand side of the distributive property. A 2 by 3 into b, instead of b I have written 4 by 3 plus c 5 by 3 is equals to a into b. A 2 by 3 into b 4 by 3 plus a 2 by 3 into c 5 by 3. Now let us check whether both the answers are equal or not. So 2 by 3 into, since the denominators are same, write the common denominator under addition, add the numerators. So you will get 4 plus 5 will give you 9. So 2 by 3 into 9 by 3. Similarly, here multiply the numerators and denominators because the operation between the rational number is multiplication. So 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9. Coming here, 2 by 3 into 9 by 3 will give you, since the denominators are same, write the same denominator and add the numerators. 8 plus 10 equals to 18. In the left hand side, 2 9s are 18 by 3 3s are 9. Here also we are getting 18 by 9, which you can cancel it as 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So instead of 18 by 9 we can write it as 2. Since both the sides are equal, distributive property of multiplication over addition is true. Similarly, let us check it for distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. The same property, the only difference is here we had plus, here we are going to have minus. So a into b minus c is equals to a into b minus a into c. Substitute the values of a, b, c in its respective places. So we will get 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into 5 by 3. Since the denominators are same, write the same denominators and subtract the numerators. So 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. Since 4 minus 5, 5 is a greater number, subtract the number. 5 minus 4 is 1 and write the greater number sign minus in front of 1. So 4 minus 5 by 3 is equals to minus 1 by 3. In the right hand side, 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9. So first, the product of first two numbers will give you 8 by 9. Minus sign, write it as it is. 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9. So you will get 8 by 9 minus 10 by 9. In the left hand side, 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 3, which will give you 3 3s are 9. 3 in 2 into minus 1 will give you minus 2. So your final answer will be minus 2 by 9, which can't be reduced. Similarly here, since both the denominators are same, write the same denominator and subtract the numerators. Again, 8 minus 10, 10 is the bigger number, so subtract the numbers. 10 minus 8 equals to 2, and write the bigger number sign, minus sign before 2. So your final answer will be minus 2 by 9. Again, both the answers are same, so distributive property of multiplication over subtraction is also true. Now let us see what is the negative of a number or additive inverse. Negative of a number or additive inverse of any number is the same number with its sign changed. For example, let us take 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a positive rational number. So additive inverse or negative of a number. That means 3 by 5 is a positive number. Opposite of positive number is negative number. So additive inverse of 3 by 5 is minus 3 by 5. The number will not change, only the sign will change. That is called additive inverse. Additive inverse of any number is the same number with its sign changed. Let us take the other example, minus 7 by 12. So minus 7 by 12 is a negative rational number. So additive inverse of negative rational number is positive 7 by 2. That is positive 7 by 12, where you should not write any sign, since minus 7 by 2 is a negative rational number. Additive inverse of negative rational number will be its positive rational number. So additive inverse of minus 7 by 12 is 7 by 12. Additive inverse of minus 12 by 18 is equal to 12 by 18. The numbers will not change, only the signs will change. See here, we have minus sign. In the answer we will not have the minus sign, because additive inverse is just opposite to positive or negative. Thank you. So kids, today we have seen rational numbers and its properties such as associative property, distributive property, additive inverse property, and that's all for rational numbers. And in the next video we will see how to solve sums related to rational numbers. That's it folks. Have a great day. Enjoy math. Don't memorize it, rather than explore it. That is how you can master the subject. Thank you.